in with you once we land. I'm so excited. We made it. Say hi, Allie. Yay!
Is approaching the main terminal building. When the gate link stops, please exit.
Room 2458 at All Star Music in the Jazz Building, number 2. Walk in the door. Nice window. Hook hang stuff. A nice dresser. So you've got pull down bed 1 that is over the couch. Hi, Allie.
Hi.
And then you've got pull down bed 2 that's over the table and chairs. We go into the first bathroom. Let's see. And to the right we have our shower, toilet, lots of towels, the non-H2O, H2O products, shower, sink, mirror, makeup mirror. We've got the blow dryer and the ironing board, closet. Then we walk out into, so we've got a nice, very large kitchen nook with a full fridge, microwave, coffee, and in here it looks like there's some bowls and plates. These are empty. Let's see. Ooh, lots of plastic silverware, ice bucket, paper towels. Nice storage. If you stay here for a long time, you'd have plenty of room to put your grocery orders. I'm going to my bedroom. Another nice TV with another big dresser. Nice little sitting nook. Queen bed with nightstands on both sides. And your second full bathroom. So you got another single sink, towels, another blow dryer, another nice closet, and another second toilet and full shower. So this is nice. So this will fit the 3 of us quite nicely for the next, we're here for a night and then we change over to another resort. So you'll have to stay tuned to see that. Cute artwork on the walls. I like how there's no carpeting. We've got some more cute artwork. Goofy rock, calypso duck. That's super cute. And then you've got Daisy Duck Broadway, Jazz Trio Vacation Jams, and Minnie Mouse All-Star Country. Okay, so that is our full room tour at All Star Music. We are in a family suite, And I think that's gonna wrap up today's travel video. It's been a long day and we're really tired. Timmy's gonna come over. Ashley should be on her way soon. She was about to land. She was about a half hour behind us. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell because you don't wanna miss any of the next Jen and Joe on the go action, because really it's just Jen. Bye.